In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add H1, H2 meta descriptions, page titles in Shopify. First, head over to Shopify.com and sign into your admin. Once you're in, open the products section from the sidebar. This is where you manage everything that appears in your catalog, and it's also where you'll set the key on-page elements that help search engines understand your content. Next, choose Add Product in the top right corner to open the product editor. Start with the product title at the top. Keep it descriptive and clear because this title usually becomes the main heading on your product page. In most themes, that title renders as the H1, so think of it as the primary headline for the page. Aim to include the most important phrase a shopper would use to find this item, but keep it human and readable. Below that, work in the description area. This is where you'll add helpful content that supports the title. Use short paragraphs, highlight benefits before features, and address common questions a buyer might have. To add H2 subheadings, select a line of text in the editor and change its style to heading 2. H2s are perfect for sections like features, materials, sizing, care, or shipping. They break up the text, make the page easier to scan, and give search engines additional context. Try to have just one H1 per page and use H2s consistently to outline your sections. If you need help crafting the copy, you can click Generate Text in the description editor. Treat this as a starting point, adjust the tone to match your brand, verify any details, and add product-specific keywords naturally. AI-generated copy is most effective when you refine it for accuracy and uniqueness. While you're still in the product editor, look for the search engine listing preview. This is where you set the page title and meta description that appear in search results. Edit the page title to be concise and compelling, ideally within roughly 50 to 60 characters, and make sure it includes your primary keyword and a differentiator like a material or feature. Then write a meta description around 150 to 160 characters that summarizes the value of the product and encourages a click. Remember, the meta description doesn't display on your product page. It's for search results and social previews. That's it. By starting at Shopify.com, opening products, adding a new product, setting a strong title, structuring your description with H2 headings, and refining the SEO preview, you'll have a clean, search-friendly product page that's clear for both shoppers and search engines.